George Hughes allan at Brett Taylor. Taylor yn gweld y bas hir I gyfeiriad Louis Robles, a Robles, wel mae wedi cyrraedd I, a mae Robles wedi sgorio. Wel am gol annisgwyl i'r Drenewydd, y bas hir yn ymlaen gan Brett Taylor, ond Ashley Morris wedi cam ddarllen y bas, a Louis Robles yn gwasgu hi fewn o'r ongl. Dyna bosib I roi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen. Nick Rushton sydd ar garlam drwy ganol cae rwan. Rushton ar bas. Robles yn ei gadael hi, a Aaron Williams yr ergyd, mae dal yno. Rushton i'r canol, a sut I honna hefyd fewn. Louis Robles oedd yno. Rhyw droedfedd I ffwrdd o'r gol oedd o, dwi'n meddwl. Cummings yn colli'r bel yng nghanol cae. Robles, a cyffyrddiad da I giro Joe Evans. Robles yn croesi'n isel, ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn i'r Drenewydd. Wel, Jared Wright oedd yn paratoi I glirio hi, ond yn lle hynny, fe oedd ildio cic o'r smotyn, ac mi fydd gan y Drenewydd gyfle I ddyblu'r mantais. Aaron Williams yn erbyn Ashley Morris, ac Aaron Williams yn rhoi honna yn syth I lawr canol y gol, ac Aaron Williams yn cael ei wythfed gol o'r tymor yn y gyngrair. Ymlaen â hi I gyfeiriad Danny Williams, ond allan â hi gan George Hughes. Nick Rushton sy'n rwan yn chwilio am gymorth. Matty Jones yn croesi ar yr ergyd gyntaf na. Croesiad hyfryd ydy hi I Louis Robles yn y cwrt Cosby. Robles yn gweld lle I saethu, a honna'n adlamu am drydedd gol i'r Drenewydd. Robles yn ergydio ar ei droed chwith, ac Ashley Morris yn cael ei dwyllio gan y gwiriad oddi ar Joe Hunt. Tair I ddim i'r Drenewydd. Jake Cornell i'r postyn agosa. Allan mae'n mynd ar ergyd yna. O, a mergyd! A mergyd hyfryd gan Curtis Rees. Ac mae Pontypridd yn ôl yn y gêm. Be mae Ben Williams yn deud yn fan hyn? Mae yna gartyn coch yn fan hyn. Mae yna ddryswch llwyr am beth sydd wedi digwydd. Mae Dave Jones I lawr yn y cwrt Cosby. Oedd na rhywbeth wedi digwydd yn fanna ar ôl i'r bel daro cefn y rwyd. A Clayton Green sy'n gadael y cae. Y capten wedi cael ei anfon o'r maes. Mi oedd yn edrych fel bod Ben Williams yn awgrymu I fod wedi sefyll ar Dave Jones. Wel, am ffordd siomedig o ddathlu un o goliau gorau'r tymor hyd yma. Jones ymlaen at Louis Robles. Robles I mewn I ganol cae. Aaron Williams, a mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd I lwybr Henry Cowens. Cowens yn gorffen yn wych. Pedwerydd gol i'r Drenewydd. Ac mi oedd hwnna yn goron ar symudiad campus gan y Drenewydd, a Henry Cowens yr eilydd yn canfod cefn y rwyd. 4 gol I 1 bellach i'r Drenewydd.
The referee is the only person on the ground that felt he's seen a decision. But unfortunately, the way we are with the cameras and everything, we get to watch it back straight away. Everybody has seen it, not just our team, their team, officials. And it's a blatant mistake. So Clayton Green should play next week.
Look, it was always going to be about the results today for us, not the performance. I thought we were clinical when we took the chances. I think we managed the game really well when they went down to 10 men. I think that first period of the second half we didn't manage very well. We knew they were going to start strong. We're disappointed in certain elements of our play in that. And then obviously, as it does, the red card changes the game, and then allowed us to manage it and push forward. And then, we're a little bit disappointed again that we didn't score more goals. But look, when you come away in the Welsh Premier League and you come away with 3 points, which is, they've been going well, they've a good home record. So to come here and get 3 points is it's an important win for us.
You got 2 goals, it was a busy night for you, you seem to be everywhere on that pitch.
Yeah, now I'm feeling sharp, now I'm starting to feel match fit, good running games behind me, so hopefully I can contribute more with more goals and assists.
2 goals for Louis Robles, he seems to be everywhere in that attack, he's added some zip to your attacking play, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has. I think we came in just before Europe, so it was obviously a bit more difficult because we had to play a lot without the ball in the prep games and obviously in Europe, and we asked him to do a job for the team, and we're just starting to find out what he's about now. We know he's very good in front of goal, takes his chances well, always looks to get a shot off, and same with Aaron Williams as well. So you know, the two of them have scored goals today, which is pleasing, and you know, you judge on your centre forwards. But I think the more important for me was that, you know, the other end, that we not give up chances, and obviously that, listen, it's a great strike by their boy for the goal, so you know, sometimes you've got to take your hat off to him, but look, you know, we got it right at both ends of the pitch, and that needs to carry on.
And a word about that strike, it was quite a special goal for you.
I feel sorry for Kurz because it takes the gloss off him. It's a great finish, but then it's forgotten about because of the decision for the red.